spend $200 in advance.
What are we doing, Ashton?
Welding. Well, getting the stuff to weld. Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? So we're back finally. Since the other video, we got the carburetor and all rebuilt. That did not go as planned. Now we can do the entire main idea that we were supposed to do.
Of welding at advance.
Got to get a couple things for the exhaust. The main muffler. Don't know exactly what we're going to go with, but the main muffler, a couple tips, maybe to turn it out in front of the rear tire. Kind of just look at some ideas, but we're going to get into advance and go from there.
You're going to spend $200.
I dang sure hope not. This is a budget deal. We made it to advance. Now let's find us some exhaust work. Here we go, Ashton.
Hey, we get 50 likes. We'll put this on something.
You want to do a challenge?
Yeah.
All right, so tell them.
50 likes, and we'll do this as an exhaust.
So if we get 50 likes on this video,
we'll do a slinky tube.
Slinky tube exhaust. All right. You heard that. If we get 50 likes on this video, we'll come back, buy some of this slinky tube and exhaust, and do an exhaust on something.
Yeah.
Whether it's his truck, my truck, a hot rod, something. 50 likes, we'll come back and do a slinky tube video of exhaust. All right, what options do we got?
We got Flowmasters, probably the best.
Got Flowmasters, got some Thrush, Super 10 Flowmaster, glass packs. I looked up some videos of the glass packs, and they actually don't sound bad. But it's already straight piped somewhat with no cats. There was no cats in 66. No emissions, not any of that junk. So probably not gonna go with the glass pack. So I'm kind of thinking it's already loud enough.
Do Flowmaster.
Well, I'm either thinking the Super 10. So I was kind of thinking this one. That one wasn't too loud, but it's gonna have a hum to it.
All right, let's do that one.
And it's a budget friendly. It's $50 compared to 101.
Or 138.
Yeah, we ain't doing that one either. Let's just go with this one. This is the turbo, and it's only $50. So budget friendly, budget build, and still have a decent sound.
Yeah, I agree.
Think it'll work?
I think so.
What else we need? We got the muffler.
Need a tip.
Yeah, we gotta have something. Do they have one that's kind of like
we can do that.
outside the car?
Yeah.
Are you sure? No, yeah. I don't want it sticking out that far.
It's all right.
Well, I was thinking like something. Well, this is just a tip. We can add that later because you just screwed that down on it.
Yeah.
So, do we need? All right, you're the welder. You're the exhaust guy. Tell us what we need.
I'm not an exhaust dude. I just weld.
Well, you're supposed to know what we're supposed to do.
I mean, we need a clamp.
All right. Well, we do need an exhaust clamp to clamp on the first piece of pipe. All right. What size we need?
No, we got 2.5 inch pipe. Yeah, we'll probably go with the big one.
Could bring the pipe in. Figure out which one we need.
Hey, sir, can I bring my 8-foot inch pipe? Well, 8 foot, not 8 foot inch.
Yeah, 8 foot.
Yeah.
Is that gonna be the right one?
I mean, we'll find out.
Well, I don't want to buy it. I mean, if it's the wrong one, we get there and we can't get it done. I don't see much different. What's the inlet on that? Shouldn't we know that? It should be on the end.
Oh, there you are.
What's up, bud?
Yeah.
All right, Ashton, what we get?
We got
We got the
adapters. We got like 3 adapters.
the elbow to turn it. Got us a Thrush turbo muffler.
You may be sitting there thinking, these people don't know what they're doing. And you are right. We don't.
We're trying for our, first time try.
We're learning.
It'll be all right. That's the whole part of this channel.
Okay.
All right, bud. Let's go knock it out.
All right. Wickies up.
All right, guys. So we have made it to the shop where the Imperial's up on the left now. Ashton's ready to do some fine as wine welding, I guess you could call it. He said he's the best in the county is what he's claiming.
I never claimed that.
Yeah, he did. Don't let him lie. Anyway, so we're going to do a little walkthrough under the Imperial, figure out how we're going to lay out the fabrication. We've already looked at it. We may have a problem.
It's going to be rough.
It ain't going to be rough, but we may have a problem. We ain't going to say it's rough, but we're going to say it's a possibility that we ran into an issue with a cross member that we didn't think about. So, that being said, we've got our Thrush turbo muffler out. We've got our fittings. We got our sticker pipe. And we're going to figure out how we can rig this up and fabricate it. What you think, bud?
I think it's gonna be rough.
I think it's going to be real.
I'm sick of this car.
So what we're running into, we didn't realize.
Members in the way. What you mean?
So downpipe's here. Cross member. I think the old exhaust went up under it. As far as I remember, it could have went over the top of it, but it wasn't never on here when I got the car, so it's literally laying over there in the yard. So what we're running into is that cross member's kind of in the way. Now, could we run it under it? Yeah, but should we probably run it over the top? Probably.
You got the pipe to do that though.
We may have the pipe, but we just gonna have to figure it out. So let's get our rest of our pipe out. So we got it measured off, and what we're gonna do is cut this off, and we'll use this to run it down the frame line, and into our elbow, turn it out in front of the rear tire. So.
And as you can see, this is a work of art. Like, this is just
Look,
beautiful.
It's gonna be covered up.
Are we gonna take the sticker off?
No, it's gonna melt off.
Okay.
All right, Ashton, what we doing now?
About to tack weld.
Big shot welder.
Gotta get flux-core through the nozzle. I hear it. There it is.
There it is. What kind of welder you got, Ashton?
What kind of welder?
Yeah.
I have a Arccaptain MIG 205 Pro as a multi-process, and we are using Flux-Cord because I didn't want to bring MIG gas out here. But that's 0.35 wire, and the way Flux-Cord is, you have to run it on DCEN, which is DC electronegative, or straight polarity, and that puts a lot more of the heat back into the electrode or the wire. But because it's thin, we would blow through it if it was on positive polarity. Plus, if Flux-Cord is on positive, you have a bunch of little BBs because it's so aggressive. This Arccaptain's a really good welder. I actually use this to pass my D11 test, believe it or not. I had the guy come to me and I did my plate cert with it. I passed my 3G test with it, and using stick, not flux. But it's a solid little welder for the price. I really enjoy it. You got a built-in light with it when it's dark, so it's been a shop environment with oil and all that crap on it. I loved it. I've been beating the crap out of it. So.
All right, well, let's finish it up and put it to use, and let's finish up mocking up this exhaust, huh?
All right,
let's knock it out. All right, we're about to see just how well his welding holds. He's gonna try and hang from the homemade exhaust.
And mind you, this fails, it's falling on me, and the car probably is going to end up falling too.
Let's see if the master welder has done a job. Hot dang, look at him. What do you think, bud?
That's pretty good. That's 140 pounds, so.
Hey, I think that'll do. Well, here's a big opportunity in the moment. Let's lower it down and fire up.
Yep.
Alright guys, so we just finished up putting the exhaust on. We ran into one issue where the exhaust clamp is for the downpipe down to the downpipe comes down to the muffler. That exhaust clamp was 2 3/4, and we needed a 2 1/4. So it's a little too big. It's causing air to come out the side there causing an exhaust leak. We're going to fix that. We're not going to deal with that. That's got to be fixed. I don't like an exhaust leak. But that being said, we've run out of daylight, so we're going to call it quits for today. We're actually going to jump in the truck, go to the parts store. We may pick you guys up when we get there. But we got a little to-do list started for the Imperial. We can check off a couple things. We still got to change the spark plugs, do an oil change. We've got the exhaust done, so we're 90% done. We've got the hangers and everything, so we can check that off our list. While we got the car on the lift, when we do the spark plugs and oil change, we're gonna do the grease fit and grease all the fittings under it for the upper and lower, the ball joints and everything that's been replaced, anything grease fitting. Go over the brakes, check the brakes, because we can go all day long, but we gotta be able to stop. Flush the radiator, because the radiator fluid is a little dirty. We're gonna go ahead and just flush everything and check the rear diff fluid. But other than that, we're almost done as far as the mechanic side of things. But that being said, guys, if depending on if we get back and do something, or we take you guys to the parts store, we're gonna pick up the spark plugs. But that's probably gonna wrap up this video for today, and we will catch you guys up in the next one. And look forward to the next, that to-do list getting checked off in the next video, probably, if we don't add it to this video. And we appreciate you guys clicking on the video, checking out our channel. Ashton, you want to say anything?
I got burned.
Come on, you want to say something?
I got burned.
My master welder over here got a little.
I got bit by the flux-cored.
He got a little wounded there, a little war scar.
About it.
But again, guys, we appreciate y'all checking our channel out, and we'll catch you guys up when we get back on the Imperial. But
don't forget 50 likes, and we will do that.
Oh yeah, 50 likes, and we'll do the slinky exhaust tubing.
Yeah.
We could do it on the panel wagon.
Yeah.
Or we can do it on a
The
motorcycle.
panel wagon is a one-of-one horror movie, old school, like Tahoe looking thing.
It looks like a Jeepers Creepers bus is what everybody thinks it is when we drive it to car shows. But again, we appreciate it, guys, and we will catch you guys up in the next video.